Hey, maybe you're a honeybee collector and you're looking for something with just a little bit of different style. This might be the piece for you. Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette. I'm a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. This channel features items that are in my shop, created by me, sometimes hand designed, sometimes hand rehabbed. In this particular case, we have a vintage squat mason jar that is rustic painted in a primitive style. It has the honeybee logo around three sides of it, and then just a hint of shabby chic style on one side, with three little vintage fabric and lace poufs that hang to the one side and just kind of soften the look altogether. Now this vase is filled with hand-cut floral straw and then arranged with vintage Gerbera daisy florals in a variety of pale colors that are going to carry you from spring all the way through fall. So this is a great arrangement to pick up if you want to set it next to a tier tray or display it by itself, or maybe add it to your mantle, or maybe even a windowsill. It has a small footprint at 3.5 inches wide, and the total arrangement is about 8 inches tall. The link is in the video description below, and if you want to catch more items that become available in my shop, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all I have for this one. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.